3-minute crash course, AI and machine learning. I'll give you a roadmap you can actually use, Python basics, generative AI, capstone to pull it all together. Imagine turning messy data into insights. Imagine building a model that predicts the future. Imagine shipping an app that talks back intelligently. Here's the path. Applied data science with Python, NumPy, pandas, means, matrix multiplies, vectorized ops, reading CSVs, merging tables, group B aggregations, time series indexing, handle missing values, fix types, normalize, standardize, encode categories, ratios, lags, rolling statistics, one-hot encodings, target encodings, t-tests, chi-square, ANOVA, bootstrap confidence intervals, machine learning, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, regression, classification, linear regression, logistic regression, random forests, gradient boosting, XGBoost, light GBM, scikit-learn, track features, track targets, train, validation, test, precision, recall, F1, ROC, AUC, MAY, RMSE, R-squared, cross-validation keeps me honest, confusion matrices, calibration, fraud detection, demand forecasting, churn prediction, align metrics with business impact, deep learning, images, text, PyTorch, TensorFlow, CNNs for images, RNNs, GRUs, LSTMs, transformers for text, AtomW, learning rate schedulers, batch norm, dropout, weight decay, transfer learning is my shortcut, ResNet, EfficientNet, YOLO, faster RCNN, learning rate, batch size, depth, early stopping, time series, video, temporal convenets, LSTMs for sequences, transformers for sequences, sliding window validation, natural language processing, clean and tokenized text, remove stop words, lemmatize, handle Unicode, handle emojis, bag of words, TF-IDF, Word2Vec, Glove, contextual embeddings from transformer encoders, sentiment analysis, topic classification, named entity recognition, machine translation, summarization, sequence to sequence with attention, blue, rouge, human checks, generative AI essentials, GPT-style LLMs, diffusion models for images, VAEs, attention is the engine, transformers, LoRa for parameter-efficient fine-tuning, LangChain, prompt templates, tools, vector stores, benchmarks, human preference tests, latency, cost, hyperparameter sweeps, guardrails, capstone, health dataset, climate dataset, finance dataset, clean it, engineer features, build a baseline ML model, build a deep model, add an NLP component, add a generative component, validate, document, ship a minimal demo, save it, pick one project today, start building, skill compounds, the sooner you ship, the faster you learn.